Dear finance professionals and students, welcome to podcast of Fca Deepak Rao, a practicing chartered accountant. Daily news and updates for 20th June 2026. Jio Platforms' upcoming IPO is priced at a premium, reflecting its market leadership and advanced 4G 5G network. Despite smaller revenues than global giants, Jio commands a higher valuation. The company plans to raise over $4 billion with an anticipated market cap of rupees 12 to 14 lakh crore. While Jio shows strong customer growth and data traffic, Bharti Airtel leads in ARPU and profitability margins. Major Indian banks including SBI, Axis Bank and Bank of Baroda alongside Power Finance Corporation are set to raise over $2 billion from overseas markets next week. This move capitalizes on the Reserve Bank of India's 1.5% fixed rate swap incentive for external commercial borrowings aimed at bolstering the rupee. HDFC Bank's recent successful dollar bond sale has spurred this wave of fundraising. Consumer goods giant Unilever is partnering with consulting firm Accenture to scale the use of AI-enabled digital twins across its global manufacturing network as companies increasingly deploy artificial intelligence to improve efficiency, quality, and sustainability in factory operations. The multi-year program will see Unilever build more than 40 new digital twins over the next 18 months, creating a blueprint for wider deployment across its factories worldwide. Digital twins are virtual replicas of factory equipment and production lines that use live data from physical systems to monitor, simulate, and predict performance. Reliance Jio is reportedly planning a massive 1,600 satellite low Earth orbit constellation, aiming for direct-to-device connectivity and extending its telecom dominance into space. This ambitious project, potentially costing $10 to $15 billion, seeks to bolster India's digital sovereignty and reduce reliance on foreign infrastructure, positioning Jio as a major global player. The Reserve Bank of India or RBI has amended the interest rate on deposits directions applicable to various categories of banks, providing temporary regulatory relief on interest rate prescriptions for certain NRE and FCNRB deposits. The relaxation is aimed at encouraging mobilization of foreign currency and non-resident deposits. The RBI has temporarily withdrawn the existing restriction on interest rates applicable to fresh non-resident external deposits with a tenor of 3 years and above. During the relaxation periods, banks will have greater flexibility in determining the interest rates offered on eligible NRE deposits. The amendment also withdraws the existing ceiling on interest rates applicable to fresh foreign currency non-resident bank deposits or FCNRB deposits having tenors of 3 to 5 years. This allows banks to offer interest rates without being constrained by the earlier regulatory ceiling for the specified deposit category. The temporary relaxation shall remain in force from 17th June 2026 to 30th September 2026. The benefit is available only for fresh eligible deposits mobilized during this period. Tokenized gold is emerging as a new investment option in India. It uses blockchain to represent physical gold digitally. Investors can trade tokens easily, even in small amounts. However, this new product lacks regulation and faces high taxes. Experts advise caution and suggest it as an experimental investment. This podcast is sponsored by Sound of CA. We share because we care. Vande Mataram, Jai Hind.